Yeah, and it was literally like 80 plus. So yeah, I think it was about time for a plug change. What's up, y'all? Alright, so honestly, it is really late in the afternoon. If you saw my Instagram, I lost my keys, but we're about to go ahead and dive into this. I kind of already started because I was in a rush, and I was like, I've got to start filming. So we're about to go ahead and dump into this. We're going to change spark plugs and my alternator. Hopefully it gets it in running order. We're going to see if I need coil packs or not, but let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, y'all, so far I have taken apart the coil packs, and I just need to get these screws here, right here, off, and I'll be able to finagle those out. Also, I've taken apart the wire to the alternator, and so all you gotta do is take out the part, the bracket, and connect that or disconnect that, and of course the belt, and I should be good to go. But I'm going to get those coil packs out first. Alright, so don't know if that's supposed to look like that, but I don't think it is. Alright, so I have the driver's side coil packs out. I labeled them so it is easy to remember. No, this is not the right firing order, but I labeled them so it's easier for me to put them back in place. So got that done, and also now to jump onto the other side, just to pull out the connectors, and I should be able to finagle it all out. I know the back one's going to be the hardest one to get, but when I can finagle those out, I will give you an update, and then we'll spray some stuff down into the holes to penetrate the spark plugs so I can pull them out, not break anything, and then we'll move on to this bad boy. So I have all 8 coil packs pulled, and right now, just looking at the condition of some, especially on the passenger side, I probably should have went ahead and got some new ones, but hopefully they hold up. But we got all coil packs out, and now we're gonna go ahead and get some PV blaster and throw down into the spark plugs and try to get those loosened up so I can pull them out, because I don't want to break anything and something fall down to the block and we're screwed. So go get that done for y'all and let that soak, and while all that is soaking, I will start working on the alternator. So let's go ahead and get it done. Alright, y'all, so gonna take a brief intermission. I have to go to work, so I will have to resume this video tomorrow of everything. Like, so far I did get the coil packs off, and I have the PV blaster soaking into the spark plugs so I can get those pulled out. Tomorrow we will start with the alternator and just get the belt off, make sure you get all the brackets off, pull it up, and we should be good. And then I will check these spark plugs and get those changed out with the UGK G-Power Platinum Alloy spark plugs. So should be good, and we'll be alright. So until then, y'all, I will see you tomorrow. Alright, y'all, so it is day 2 of doing the maintenance on the Mustang, and as you see, the weather is not as great, and I have a jacket on. It's not too cold, but it's cold. So we're about to go ahead and dive in. I let the spark plugs soak in with PV blaster so I can get them out easier, and I'm about to just clean out the holes and just all that gunk in there. My cat likes to sit in my entry bay, so I gotta clean all that out. And we'll go ahead and get to that, and then get onto the alternator, and let's get to it. Alright, people, so just check the gapping on the spark plugs. They're good, and we got the tool to loosen the servicing belt so we can take it off and get to the alternator. And y'all remember way back when my car blew the intake manifold? So there's a little bit of leakage of coolant. Don't know where it's coming from yet. and my dad had a suggestion that it is either the hose, it's leak from the hose, or the manifold could be cracked. I swear, problem after problem. I should have really just ordered the Ford Racing manifold, because this Dorman is not good. I'm telling you guys right now, all 2V people, do not get the Dorman. No. Negative. Alright y'all, so we pulled this back plug first, and literally you can't even see. Like, we tried to measure the gap and it was literally like 80 plus. So yeah, I think it was about time for a plug change. Yes, sir. Alright, so fast forward a little bit. I got the coils in on both sides, got them screwed down, and got the plugs back in. And I did on the other side, I had to unplug the plugs for the fuel, the injectors. I had to unplug those, and I got those on. So everything's buttoned up. Only thing now is to bolt back the intake, but I will wait on that. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the alternator, and we should be good. Alright, so now we have the old looking all busted and bunk, and we have the new looking pretty and shiny. And this is a 130, or this is whatever the stock one output. So we're jumping up a little bit, have some more power for this beast here. And so we're gonna go ahead and get this on and tidied up, and we'll see where we go from there. Alright, so we got the new in. Dude, it looks really nice in there. Everything's so bunk, and this is really clean. So we're gonna go ahead and button everything up, get the bracket back on, get the belt on. And you know what? I'm gonna have to look at this PCV valve, because this right here is horrible. And like, my car's getting a horrible vacuum leak, and I see where I taped it up to try to fucking clear it up. And it's honestly really bad, dude. So I don't know, I want to drive the car really bad today to see how well it is running, but that might stop me. I don't know yet. We'll just see what happens. But let's go ahead and get that stuff buttoned up, and then I'll get back to y'all. So we have everything buttoned up, got the alternator and everything buttoned in, got the serpentine belt on. So now we wait for parts. So really, this install, or I guess the starter's not gonna be yet. So the fact that we have to wait for more parts, kinda irritating. But I want everything to be good and ready when we go to I8. So tomorrow it will be another video of me installing the rest of the stuff, like say the new PCV line, and also we're going to look into a new PCV valve here, because this look like, if this is bad, it could be cause a lot of blow by, because I'm also white smoking a little bit, and we're going to try to button those things up and get that ready. So this will be the end of this video, y'all. So hope you guys enjoyed it, Hope I did it all for you guys. If there's anything I missed or you guys thought I should go back over and see, just go ahead and throw a comment down there. Let me know. If you enjoyed it, let me know. And if you're a new viewer, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because a lot more stuff is coming. So till then, y'all, take it easy, and I'll holler.